mastermind. This kid. I'm a mastermind, we're riding time to the beat, too tight on the mic, was born to shine, represent my crew. Nobody wanna mess with my guys, like a murderer guy, make a perfect crime, I'm a mastermind, I'm under decency. Some people are teaching me a few things to keep myself strong, they're believing in me. When I'm releasing on beats, I'm doing it dramatically, and it's not about fame, it's to see who's backing me. I want loyalty, respect, but it's hard to find. I know some snakes in this game, they want to hate this guy, they want to hear me cry, they want to see me die. But when they hear this song, they might press rewind. I'm too cold on this beat, I might get the scene please, and then give me your reason to keep it all in peace. And I am not the type of guy that is known to start wars. I'm the type of guy that's known to leave them losing sore. With my lyrics I'm banging, you cannot match the way I'm rapping. See, I do me, you do you, that's why you're slacking. You can never pull me down, so try it harder. But if you go too far, I'll beat you like you stick Rihanna. It's this kid, I'm a mastermind. When I ride in time to the beat, too tight on the mic, I was born to shine, represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys, like a murderer guy, make a perfect crime, a mastermind. I'm a mastermind, when I rhyme in time to the beat, too tight on the mic, I was born to shine, represent my crew. Nobody wanna mess with my guys, like a murderer guy, make a perfect crime, a mastermind. Do not tear me down, because I know how to bust that thing, get me a box and the shovel, so I can lay you 6 feet deep. But I don't ever want to do that, I'm trying to be trouble-free. See, my life is too I just want to live. I quit doing them bad things, I am cleaner than ever now. You road, you cannot fuck with this kid like a pedophile. I'm proud to be Nobelistas, URP, we're making the best sounds. Now listen very carefully as I upgrade my flow. Now get ready for this faster flow, kicking in, but they didn't think I spit like this. I'm sick and I'm sick, this will be the risk, and I'm relaxed on the flow like taking a piss. My beard is skin, it's what when I'm hot now. I'm on top, so flashing shot clouds. Now watch out to that, can you like I'm Phily D and I'm fucking your mastermind. As I rhyme in time with these vocals, but fight with the right to be boastful. When I'm so cool, you're too corny. You got a girl but you can't get a horny. Surely I don't need to count the counts ever. Dumb shits, do you really think you can never be this clever? Nah, never. It's this kid, I'm a mastermind. When I rhyme in time to the beat, too tight on the mic, I was born to shine, represent my crew. Nobody wanna mess with my guys, like a murderer guy, make a perfect crime, a mastermind. This kid, I'm a mastermind. When I rhyme in time to the beat, too tight on the mic, I was born to shine, represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys, like a murderer guy, make a perfect crime, a mastermind.